How to find and see your community activity on Twitch. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click here, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on channel and videos. Now click here on community. After you click on community, now click on activity. Here you will find your community activity, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.